Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I am here at Giant Foods. I'm about to do some incredible deals, especially an amazing cereal deal that I'm going to share with you guys. So make sure that you have your Ibotta app downloaded. Make sure you have Fetch downloaded, and make sure that you have coupons.com downloaded, because we're going to need all of those apps to bring our out-of-pocket down really low. And you guys know you want to be able to have some low out-of-pockets, because these kids are out of school and they're eating up everything in the kitchen. You're having to buy more and more groceries than what you usually buy. So let's make sure that we're stretching our dollars. So guys, get your phones out. Make sure that you take some screenshots. Make sure you take some notes so that you can do all of the deals exactly the way I'm doing them. Before we jump into the deals, I do need you to do me a favor. I need you to hit that bell next to the subscription button, as well as the subscription button if you guys are watching me on YouTube. If you're watching me on Facebook, hit that follow button. That way you get notified every time I go live or every time I put up some new deals. So guys, I'm going to turn the camera around and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so the first deal we're going to do is going to be on a cereal deal. It's going to be on General Mills cereal, and they are going to be $1.88 when you buy them in a group of 3. Otherwise, they're going to be 2 for $6. So as you can see, they are tagged in the store. You see 2 for $6, but when you buy 3, they're $1.88. And it's all of the General Mills cereals. It's the Reese's, the Trix, Golden Grams, Lucky Charms, all the flavors of Lucky Charms. There's more Lucky Charms. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. There's more Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cocoa Puffs. There's more Reese's. So, and it's Cheerios, wherever those are at. Okay, the Cheerios are down here. So Cheerios are included. Kicks, different flavors, Kicks. All the different flavors, Cheerios. As you can see, they're all tagged, okay? So, what I'm going to do, though, I'm going to focus on mainly the Lucky Charms, but I'm going to get some other ones, and I'm going to show you why. I'm going to end up getting 9 boxes of cereal, so we're going to get 3 groups of 3, so that we pay $1.88 for each box. Now, if you go into your Ibotta app, in your app, there are cereal rebates. And if you click on these rebates, you can use a coupon with them. So that's absolutely okay. This is the reason I'm focusing on the Lucky Charms. With the Lucky Charms, you get 75 cents back. You just have to make sure that it is a 10.5 ounce box. And it is. We're going to get this one. That's 11 ounces. That one's 14.9. Oh, wait a minute. That one doesn't count. Hold on. It's this one up here. This one's 10.5. So we're good, okay? But you can only redeem this 5 times, right? See, it says limit 5. And I told you I was getting 9 boxes. So we're going to get some other cereals. So see, you can see there's Cocoa Puffs, Trix, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Cheerios, Reese's Puffs. All of those are included, but those are only 50-cent rebates. That's why we're going to get 5 boxes of Lucky Charms and 4 boxes of the other, so that we're getting the best bang for our buck. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to load these 5 boxes of Lucky Charms into the cart. Matter of fact, I'm going to get 2 of the s'mores ones. These are new. Okay, so I'm going to get 2 of these and 3 of the regular Lucky Charms. Now I need 4 other kinds. So the other 4, I'm going to get 2 Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I think I'm going to do 2 Trix as soon as I find the right size. Trix. Oh, here they go. Oh, okay, these are Trix minis. Let's make sure that these qualify. You know what? I'm not even going to go through that. I'm just going to get the Trix that I know that do qualify. Okay, I'm going to get these. So now we have 9 boxes of cereal. We have 2 Tricks. We have 2 Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We have 4 of the regular Lucky Charms. I'm going to put one of these back. We only need 5 Lucky Charms. So we have 3 of the regular Lucky Charms. And then we have 2 of the new S'mores Lucky Charms. Okay, so that's our 9 boxes of cereal. So each of them is going to be $1.88, because remember, you have to buy them in pairs of 3s. Now, I'm going to, not only am I submitting my receipt to Ibotta, but I'm also going to submit my receipt to coupons.com. On coupons.com, there are more coupons. So there you see you get $1 back for buying 2. And then they have one where if you spend $25, you get $5 back, and that's cumulative, so it doesn't have to be all on one receipt. So we're going to do this cereal deal today, and then I'm going to end up doing it tomorrow also. Okay, so that right there is all a good deal all in itself, and I will let you guys know what the outcome and what the out-of-pocket is with that once we get back in the car. But look, I have this register receipt tape that printed out from one of my receipts before that says I can save another $1.50 when I buy 3 boxes, and you see it doesn't expire to 8/1. This particular deal for Giant is good through June 29th. So you guys have all week. We still have plenty of time to do this deal. So we're going to get some other stuff, but I'm going to ring this deal up totally separate, because I think this is a fabulous deal, and I think this is something that everyone should come do, especially if you have kids. Now, we're also going to submit our receipt to Fetch. Check your Fetch apps, guys, because everyone has different deals. So on my account, my deal is on General Mills products. When you spend $50, you get 2,500 points, which is $2.50. But on my mom's account, she's lucky. She got to spend $10 and you get 1,000 points, which is $1. So I'm going to use her account for this deal so that I can get an extra $1 off, okay? Okay, another good deal that I think you guys should do is going to be a deal on these P&G products. And you save $4 when you buy 3 products. So you can see it includes the Febreze spray, the Mr. Clean, the Dawn, and the Microban. So with the Dawn, you can get any of the Dawns count, okay? But you want to get your best bang for your buck. So these Dawns right here are regularly $4.29, but you see they're marked down to $2.99. Also, these Dawns, $4.29, marked down to $2.29. Okay, and these Dawns are $4.29, marked down to $2.29. All of those are excellent deals, right? So if you grab 3 of those, let's just say each of them are $3. Okay, we're off by a penny. If you grab 3, that's $9. But look, you get $4 when you buy 3 of them. So that would be, you'd get 3 of these for $5. Guys, that is amazing. I don't know about you guys, but it's amazing to me. So I'm going to grab 3 of these, and I'm going to pay $5 for mine. So guys, that's like, you see they're regularly $4.29. So you're going to pay $5 for 3. So that's like buying 1 and getting 2 for free. You cannot beat that at all. So you can see these are the 3 that I'm going to get. Okay, another great deal that you guys can take advantage of is some of the Arm & Hammer detergent. So these are $7.49. It's the 35 loads. They are buy 1, get 1 free. So you're going to buy 2 of them and pay $7.49. But then guess what? You can submit your receipt to coupons.com, and coupons.com has $1 back for each one. So you would get $2 back if you bought 2. So that means you would pay $5.49 for 2 of these. So I think that's a pretty good deal too on detergent, if this is the type of detergent that you like. And then you might also want to look on Alexa.com just in case. the Alexa app, just in case you don't have it on your coupons.com app, because that same exact coupon is on the Alexa app. Okay, so the final thing I'm going to get is some of this Boost. I'm going to get the 6-packs, and they are regularly $9.69, but they're on sale for $8.49. So I'm going to grab 4 of these actually, guys. But I'm going to use 2 of these coupons. You see, they don't expire till July 2nd, and it is $5 off 2 packs. So I'm going to use 2 of these coupons. But then I'm also going to submit my receipt to, here you go. I want to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'm going to get $2 back for each one of these. Now, this does have a 50-cent bonus when you redeem 3 offers, but I don't know if it has to be on separate receipts or what, because it doesn't really go into details about that. So we're going to see, because if I get 4 and it doesn't have to be on different receipts, I should get the bonus. So we'll see. Going up to the register now. Okay, guys, so this is everything that I'm going to get today. I'm going to get 6 of the Boosts. I had told you I was only going to get 4, but I'm going to get 6. And I'm also going to get the 9 boxes of cereal and the 3 Dawns. So let's head up to the register. I'm going to do everything as a separate transaction. I'm going to do the cereal in one transaction, the Dawn in one transaction, and the Boost in another transaction. Okay, guys, so let's go over our receipts with an S. So the first thing that I rang up was the Boost, and although I had 6 in my cart, I only end up getting 4. I thought I had 3 coupons, but I only had 2. So I could only get 4 of them because it was 2 per coupon. So as you can see, they were regularly $9.69 minus the $1.20, which gives you $8.49. That's the sale price. So I got 4 of those. And there you see both of my $5 coupons came off. So my total was $23.96. But remember that we are going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. I didn't submit my receipts to Ibotta yet because I've already completed my weekend warrior bonus. So I'm kind of like doing something real sneaky. So I'm going to submit my receipts tomorrow, so it will count for my mid-week bonus. So here, you know, we're getting $2 back for each one of the Boosts. So that would be $8. So when you minus $8 from the $23.96, that gives us a total of $15.96 for 4 things of Boost, or $3.99 each. That is like 75% off of the regular price. That's an excellent, excellent deal, guys. So that was our first transaction. The second transaction is with the Dawn, and you can see they were all on sale for $2.99. We got 3 of them, and when you buy 3, you get $4 off. So my total was $5.27. But you know we don't like to talk about tax, so let's take that tax out of there. So my total was actually $4.97 for 3 Dawns. Again, that's like buying 1 and getting the other 2 for free. Excellent deal. Okay, so here we go for the cereal deal. So guys, I saved that for last because that deal has so many different rebates and apps that we're going to be submitting to. And I want to make sure that you guys capture everything because this deal is amazing. So first, let me tell you, the only hiccup that I had with this deal was with the new Lucky Charms. So those s'mores Lucky Charms were not on sale, were not part of the $1.88. Buy 3 and get each of them for $1.88. So make sure that you check before you purchase them. Now, they weren't tagged. I just assumed because all of the other Lucky Charms were, but I discovered it when I rang it up. So I just switched them out for the regular Lucky Charms. So that's why you will not see them on my receipt. So here you go. There's the regular Lucky Charms, another one. There's the Tricks, 2 Tricks. There's 2 Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And then there are the 3 other Lucky Charms. You see, they were all $1.88. There's the $1.50 CRT cash register tape that I used. So that brought my total down to $15.42. Now, I showed you guys a lot of the rebates and things that I did in the store. So, again, with Ibotta, we're getting $1 back for the Cinnamon Toast Crunch because that's 50 cents a box. For the Tricks, we're getting $1 back. That's 50 cents a box. For the Lucky Charms, they were 75 cents a box for the rebate. So we're getting $3.75 for that. Now, this is what I want to show you guys. There is a glitch on coupons.com. So originally, I thought I was only going to get $1 back from coupons.com. But guys, let me show you what happened. So here, I got the $1 back for buying 2 General Mills cereals, right? But then look, I also got the $5 back for spending $25. I didn't spend $25. I only spent, here's the receipt, $15.42. But what they did is they took it off of the regular price of the $4.49 instead of the $1.88. So that put me over the $25 threshold, and they gave me the $5. So I got $6 back from coupons.com. So guys, I don't know what's going on with that. So all I'm telling you is that if this is the deal that you want to do, you better go do it now so that you can get that $6 back also. Now, also, there was another deal on Fetch that I didn't realize that came up, and I got credit for that besides the one that I showed you. So when I scanned my receipt into Fetch, so I got a total of 1,000. Oh, my battery's going low. No wonder the screen was so light. So I got back 1,883 points, which is $1.88. So I told you that we had the offer when you spend $10, you get 1,000 points, which is $1 back. And you can do this deal, redeem it up to, oh no, it's just, you could just redeem it one time. So I got that. Now, I showed you guys that, but this is the one that I didn't show you guys. So here is one. It says, buy 3 General Mills products and you get 750 points, which is 75 cents. So I didn't see this on my app. It didn't come up when I put in General Mills. So I got another 75 cents back. So I was glad about that. And then there's all the little cents for buying all the cereals. So guys, look at this. $1 back from the Cinnamon Toast Crunch from Ibotta, $1 back from the Tricks from Ibotta, $3.75 back from Ibotta for the Lucky Charms, $1 back from coupons.com for 2 cereals, $5 back from coupons.com for spending $25. Guys, I have chicken scratch, so I'm sorry. $1.88 from Fetch for all of those cereals. All of that adds up to $13.63. I paid $15.42 out of pocket. That means I paid $1.79 for 9 boxes of cereal. Guys, isn't that a good deal? I think you need to go do that deal, because guess what? Even if you don't have the $1.50 register tape, then you just add another $1.50 on. So that would be $3.29 for 9 boxes of cereal. That's still an excellent, excellent, excellent deal. So guys, that's everything that I got from Giant. I hope you're able to go out to do the deals. Come back, let me know what you did. And until the next time, keep on saving.